Lost in translation: the importance of clear communication in food safety management. Communication plays a crucial role in ensuring food safety. Effective communication is essential for transmitting important information, sharing best practices, and coordinating efforts among various stakeholders involved in food safety management. The consequences of poor communication in food safety management. Poor communication can have serious consequences in food safety management. One example is the outbreak of foodborne illnesses caused by contaminated products. Identifying communication barriers in food safety management. Here are several communication barriers that can hinder effective food safety management: language differences, cultural differences, and lack of training and education. Overcoming language barriers in multilingual workplaces. In multilingual workplaces, it is important to implement strategies for overcoming language barriers to ensure effective communication in food safety management. One approach is to provide language training and resources to employees, and another strategy is to use translation and interpretation services. Improving communication in remote food safety teams. Strategies can be implemented to improve communication in food safety teams. Use technology for virtual communication, establishing clear communication protocol, encouraging regular check-ins and updates. The role of technology in enhancing communication in food safety management. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing communication and collaboration in food safety management. There are several examples of technology that are commonly used in this field. Use of digital platforms for data collection and analysis. Use of mobile applications for communication and training purposes. Collaborative platforms. Managing crisis management. Clear and timely communication is crucial in crisis management situations in the food industry. During a crisis, such as a foodborne illness outbreak or a product recall, it is important to communicate accurate and up-to-date information to all relevant stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and regulatory agencies. Creating a culture of clear communication in food safety management. Creating a culture of clear communication is essential for effective food safety management. This starts with leadership, as leaders are crucial in promoting clear communication practices. The benefits of effective communication in food safety management. Effective communication in food safety management has several benefits such as improved food safety outcomes, increased efficiency and productivity, and enhanced business reputation and customer trust. Making communication a top priority in food safety management. Communication plays a critical role in ensuring food safety. Poor communication can have serious consequences, including foodborne illness outbreaks and damage to businesses' reputation. Identifying and overcoming communication barriers, such as language differences and cultural norms, is important to ensure effective communication in food safety management. Have you learned the art of communication in food safety management? For food safety management assistance, contact us at 236 513 2488.